Welcome to Brain Vision.
So first of all, by definition, we can say so this is from definition 7. So we see we should go ahead and find fx and fy. Also, we can use the fact that delta z is given by the following. And then go ahead and use the fact that we know the formula for f, so we can go ahead and rewrite this term over here. So these two facts here are just using the definition of f once over here and once over here. So now let's go ahead and expand this out a little bit. Should be a plus sign there. Now I'll do the second term, that's y squared, 2y delta y squared. And then minus x squared minus y squared. And you see that you could cancel some of these terms. And that leaves us with 2x delta x. And then here, let me rewrite this term as delta x times delta x. And then we have 2y delta y plus delta y delta y. Now, we know the fact that we could replace 2x with fx, and we could replace 2y with fy. So let's take this term over here, underlined, start writing over here since I'm running out of room. We can write this as fx. Using this fact up here, all I did was replace 2x with fx. And now I'll do the same thing for delta y in a moment. So let me actually do that now here. Let me mix up the order here. Let me do this one. So instead of 2y, I'll write fy. So that takes care of the first two terms. And then we have delta x and so now if we compare it back to definition 7, if you look at our first two terms, they're exactly the same. We have a delta x here, just like they do, and we have a delta y here, just like they do. So that must mean that this quantity here is our epsilon 1, and that this quantity here is our epsilon 2.